Hi guys. Today, we will explain how to create a page on Shopify Store. This process is simple and easy. The first thing you have to do is open your browser and sign in your account on which you want to create pages. And before going any further, let me explain the benefit of creating a page. So I will explain it with the help of AI. So I will open Gemini, it's developed by Google. So I wrote, what is the benefit of creating a page? Here you can see creating page on Shopify offers numerous benefits on your store, enhancing both customer experience and your overall business. Here's a breakdown. So with the help of a page, you will get a lot of benefits. You can read it by yourself, and also you can check it on the Gemini. And let's get back to our tutorial. So here what you have to do, take a look on the left side. You will see multiple options. From these, you have to tap on the option Online Store once you will select Online Store. Below, you will see 3 options: Theme, Pages, and Preference. From here, you have to select Option Pages. Now for creating a page, take a look on the right top. You can see the option of Add Page. Click on it. And here, the first thing is you have to enter the title. Once you will enter the title here, you have to write the description of your page. The next thing is you have to check the visibility. Currently it's hidden, but you have to select the visible, so it will be visible to all customers. Here you can also select the template. The selected is default, but if I click on it, next one is contact, and on the last, you have to tap on the option Save. Once you will save, your page will be saved on your Shopify store. Because I have not written anything, so that's why it's not saving. So let me write. You can see I wrote clothing, and I will write a description after writing. I will tap on the option Save. Now, you can see my page has been created, and now it's save. If I go back, you can see my page. And also, it's visible to everyone, and it was the way by which you can create pages.